Ready for more carpet cleaning jobs? Let me share something very obvious. A stain on the carpet or a sofa that needs cleaning. The homeowner will look for carpet cleaners immediately. Where do you think they will look? They will definitely not walk to the local market. You can imagine what would happen, right? They will immediately pull out their phone and type carpet cleaners near me. I can guarantee that they will pick the first one that comes up and has the best reviews. It's as simple as that. Let me share something not so obvious. Did you know that most small businesses stop trading within 12 months of starting? Also, out of the ones that survive, most struggle to pay bills. Yes, it's hard running a carpet cleaning business, but it shouldn't be. Let me ask you this. Does your business turn up when someone searches for carpet cleaners online? Are you actively making sure that your business has the best reputation online? Are you actively getting positive reviews from your existing customers? This is the market that you need to tap into. Most carpet cleaners overlook the potential for growth as they are busy overcoming challenges daily. Do you want to focus on your number one job as carpet cleaners? Or while saving time by not having to worry about finding new customers? Well, we have the perfect service for you. Let's discuss content marketing. I'm going to keep it short, so let's hop right into it. Content marketing can help you increase business by 5 times or more. This is where we come in. Whether it be content marketing or SEO services, or just general content creation, we do it all. For example, good content is the backbone of your online presence and plays a key role in digital marketing. We consider many important aspects during content creation, such as the target audience, the nature of the message, etc. We ensure to engage your audience by using creativity and imagination in our content ideas. We do a full audit of your communication matrix, optimize content for the right target audience, making sure results are measurable. We even create any necessary graphics and add high-resolution images. Once the content is ready and published on your website, blog, or social media account, or even any other platform, then it's time to let your content work its magic on your audience. This is not it. There is more that we do to help you get new clients and keep your business generating revenue. Please look at the proposal below for further details. Feel free to ask us any questions. And once you are happy with everything, please go ahead and sign it. We look forward to working with you long term.